Finally, the part is here for this beautiful 2017 Mini Cooper. That's a clutch for this one, specifically from Luke Company. That's the OEM product for VW's Minis. Clutch for the manual transmission. Also, we're going to get the pilot bearing for this one. Remember, every time you do a clutch on your car, doesn't matter from where you did it, try to put both of this thing at one time, because pilot bearing partially fails. A lot of cases when you replace your clutch, after a while, this thing got replaced. So you are going to get a same labor just to replace this part. So it's better to buy both at a time. Maybe you find a lot of online places with just the clutch. Do not go cheaper on that one, because you end up paying for this thing, same labor, twice time. So that's what we're doing on this car. That's a 2017 Mini. And also, if you remember this DME, it's the same DME the last month we show on BMW X1. Came in here with a DME fried, and we replaced with the same batch number. This is the same motor B38 and the same DME. So these are pretty common for a fry incidents, because there is no relays in between the thing from engine to DME. Anything wrong with the engine timing, end up frying the DME. So this case, we are just going to change the clutch on this one, and this thing gonna be on road after probably 2 days. Today we're going to separate this one, and I will update you what the exact condition is from inside. Stay tuned. So the reason behind this 2015 Tundra sitting right here is a common problem with the alternators, and this customer chose to bring it to us just because the alternator with the dealer was 700 plus taxes on specifically this motor, and we got it for cheaper with the same year warranty, same make and model, and same company one. So you see the brand new alternator is right here, and this is the almost 11 years old, as it's a 2015. So if you guys do have any of the similar problems, this alternator was charging good. The only thing failure was the pulley was jammed on this thing. And the pulley is not replaceable on this alternator, so we have to buy the new one. So this is where it's standing here. It almost takes 5 hours to take it off and put it back. So we're not going to charge 5 hours standard labor rate for this thing. So if you guys do have the similar problems as the weather is breaking down cold, give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. We have a larger inventory for starters, alternators. Give us a call for any update. Move to the next car. So if your radiator got blast from the top, that doesn't mean you need to replace the radiator only. It should be there is something regarding that thing cause it. So in this case, we got this 2015 Q50. That's 3.7 liter V6. And this customer came in and pointing like we just need to replace the radiator, which wasn't the case, because the thermostat wasn't allowing to open it, the flow on that thing. So that makes a high pressure in the front wall, and the top of the radiator got damaged. So this is the radiator right here. If you see, everything is damaged from here. So we got the replacement unit here. And also this one from dealership got 500 plus taxes. We bought it for the customer half of the price. So it's basically fraction of price is good. When you have just metal or like aluminum parts, you don't really have to go with the OEM ones, because they are similar quality with a similar warranty. So if you buy from a dealership, 1 year, aftermarket 1 year. So this customer almost saving 40% on top of the repair from dealership price. So if you guys do have any of this kind of thing, blow up radiator or any coolant leaks, give us a call, book your appointment. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. So we got another trusted client here. They came up here with this beautiful 2023 Honda Civic. That's a 2-liter. Now this engine is super rare on the dealerships. It's a non-turbo engine. So it's the most reliable engine on the Hondas ever have. And this customer, they close heading to 100 clicks, and they come here for a regular maintenance, which includes the Honda Authentic transmission fluid. As you guys know, we use only OEM products. So this customer came from out of town, and that's our regular client. And they was just excited to get the fluids done because this car is like the review on this car by the customer is insane. Like this is good on the mileage because since day one it's coming here for every oil changes. Now it's time for mandatory services. If your Honda Civic, Honda Accord, or CRV. If you're close to 100,000 and it's a four-wheel drive, make sure you have your all 4x4 services done before anything gonna break. Because if anything happens, dealership gonna charge you the whole bunch of price on the biggest part, differentials, transmission, transfer case. So avoid that. Do your fluids on time. Give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, so we're doing this oil change on this beautiful 2011. It's a Golf station wagon, TDI, 2-liter diesel. So we did on the runner flap motor last year on this car, and it was back after almost 11 months. And when we check, everything is fine from the top. We put specifically this part, if you want to see from this side. So this part was new on this one. So this is the most common problem on TDIs. The runner flap motor for intake is gone. My personal car have the same problem. So if you guys do have the same problem, also this customer is heading to up north, which is a little more colder than here. So they just want to make an inspection on this one. 2 tires needed to go in the north because a lot of snow over there. Also, we did the fluid change and oil change with liquid moly. As you know, we are specialized with liquid moly motors. Give us a call if you want any of services done on your VWs. Book your appointment. On to the next car. Let me tell you a little brief about this customer. They came in from Windsor, which is 200 kilometers from here, 2-hour drive. You know why? Because the trust we built with our customers, with our premium clients. They are looking for a premium oil, so we give it 2 options. Either they go with a VW oil, which is authentic, we have in stock, big inventory for your car need, but especially they came in for liquid moly here. So we are going to put the liquid moly this time, and that is the trust. Customer have it on us. They see our videos. We open the bottle on the camera. There is nothing behind that. Check it out. So if you guys do want the same services on your car, you can give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can just book your appointment. Come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We're happy to help you out. We have a variety of liquid moly, raw, and VW oil specifically for Audi VWs, newer ones, your W20s, your W30s. Give us a call. Thank you so much. So the last one, we got this beautiful 2016 Subaru. It's a STI. That's the very performance car with the Subaru. And it's here for a mandatory OEM services. This customer, they bought the car like almost a couple of months ago, and they wasn't sure about the services, so got the fluid, everything. We're going to drain up the transmission oil on this one, also the rear differential oil, also the coolant services on this one is pending. So that 3 services we're going to perform, and everything else look at pretty nice and tight. So if you guys do have any of the Subarus, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Working on Subaru is a piece of cake for us. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe, press the bell icon. See you next time.